Welcome back. Here are the community updates on January 29th. The Urban Institute for Contemporary Arts will be reopening on July 15th at its new downtown Grand Rapids location, it announced. The over 40-year-old art organization will now reside in the Woodbridge North Ferris building at 17 Pearl Street on the campus of Kendall College of Art and Design. Its reopening comes after closing its previous space at Fulton Street last March due to the pandemic. Its art galleries remained closed ever since. Leading the UICA's new exhibition efforts as Director of Curatorial is Michelle Bosak, who previously filled this role for the Fed Galleries. She is overseeing UICA's upcoming series of rotating shows, which invites artists to respond to the Ferris Building's unique spaces in ways that focus on interconnectedness of space, identity, and human experience. UICA is currently holding open calls for artist submissions for several of the exhibitions opening in July. Details about the UICA's upcoming exhibitions and submission deadlines are available on its website's Art, Exhibitions, and Events page. Grand Rapids City Commissioners on Tuesday unanimously approved a zoning amendment allowing for ground floor residential units in buildings located in business districts. The amendment gives building owners the opportunity to convert vacant or underutilized ground floor space intended for businesses into residential space. All housing-related amendments approved by the City Commission on Tuesday are ground floor residential use now permitted in traditional business areas and commercial zone districts, office use now permitted in traditional business areas when located at rear of building and when fronting on secondary and side streets, and building heights of 4 stories now permitted in traditional business areas without a height bonus. More details about the city's new zoning amendments are available on its website. A new large-scale COVID-19 vaccine clinic opened inside downtown Grand Rapids DeVos Place on Monday, allowing large numbers of eligible people to be vaccinated in a central location. Called the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic, the site was created through a collaboration between the Kent County Health Department, Spectrum Health, and Mercy Health. According to Vaccinate West Michigan, DeVos Place was selected as a large-scale vaccine clinic because it's on bus routes, accessible by multiple interstate highways, has adequate parking, and is centrally located. Priority groups currently eligible in Michigan for vaccines includes people ages 65 and older, healthcare workers, essential workers such as teachers and police, and others in phases 1A and 1B of Michigan's vaccine rollout plan. Appointment registration for the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic is available on its website. Grand Rapids-based SpartanNash is preparing to offer COVID-19 vaccines at its company-owned pharmacies, it announced. Its rollout is in partnership with the state of Michigan and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. People can sign up to be notified when the vaccine is available at their nearest SpartanNash pharmacies through their chain's websites in their pharmacy sections. Ongoing updates on SpartanNash's COVID-related efforts are available on its website. The Rapidian encourages local residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, or public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. This week's featured articles include Ethics and Religion Talk from community reporter Rabbi Khrushchev, and articles by the UICA and Guiding Light Ministries. To get started as a community reporter, visit therapidian.org/write. This video is supported by the Michigan Council for Arts and Cultural Affairs, the Lowell Arts Center, and the National Endowment for the Arts. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of each other.